Okay, this is how you go about making your smoothie logo for your Year 7 smoothie logo design project. When you first open Illustrator, you need to go File, Open, and open up your Illustrator template that looks like this. Then you need to make sure you're on Essentials Classic in Illustrator because that gives you some more functions up the top here. In the top right hand corner there's a little box. Click on that and make sure you've actually selected Essentials Classic. Just there. Now to get your scan of your graphic that you have scanned and sent to your email, you need to download it from your emails. Then you go File, Place, go to your Downloads folder probably, and find your scan and place it into Illustrator. You can delete off these two things as well. And the way you do that is use the black arrow to select the different things and delete them. Now, you can crop your scan if it needs to be cropped just up here. And then you can click on Image Trace. Once you've done that, click Expand. Now that you've done that, you can zoom in. And what you can do now is if you want to select individual parts of this logo, you use the white arrow. The white arrow allows you to select individual parts to colour them in. So I could select that. I can then go to the swatches palette over here and I can change the colour of my selection. If things are joined together, I can't change the colours. I can then use the white arrow to, I want to get rid of that white background, so I'll delete that because I just want the image on its own. And I can select different leaves. I can colour those. Okay, whatever you want to do. I won't spend too long doing that for this video. What you can do then is make some shapes to add to your logo using the shape tool over on the left hand side. In the tools palette, you can draw shapes. If you hold down shift, things stay the same proportions. You can go object, arrange, center back. I might make that part of my logo white. You can then give your smoothie logo a name. Purple Squish Delight. So use the T tool to write your smoothie name. You can highlight it and you can change the font up here and change the size here. You can change the colour by changing the colours. You can add any other graphics that you like. You could add lines, which you can make different colours. If you have look over here, you've got, if you want to change the colour of the line, you need to bring the line to the front and change the colour of the line just there. We did that in a practice task in class, so you should all know how to do that. Once you've done your logo design, you can then over here on your packaging, click on the outside shape, and if you want to fill that shape with the colour, you go over to the two boxes on the tool palette, and whatever you want to do, you need to bring that to the front. So if I want to change the inside part, which is white, I click on that big white box, go over here, and I can actually change the colour like that. I can then add any sort of patterns or graphics that I like onto this. I could add things like 500 mil, and I can put that on there somewhere. I could add, you know, a stripe of a colour through the middle. I could make it white. If I do that, I have to bring these to the front. I can do anything that I want. Now to put my logo onto my smoothie bottle, what I need to do is select it all, right click and group it. I then go edit, copy, edit, paste, and I can then hold a corner toggle, scale it down, and I can place it onto my smoothie bottle. What I'd really like to see is something else, some other design feature over here on this side as well. Once you've done that, you can use the T tool, write your name in here in capital letters, first name and last name please. Then you can save it and upload it to Simon. Thank you.